record how fucking tired we are.
Yeah. How tired are you, Anthony?
Just skate the box.
Imagine having sex since you were born till now. That's how fucking tired I am.
How's that tea, Steven?
It was not in it. It was like, how much?
Steven, open your mouth. Now open your mouth.
Wait,
It's like pour some in here.
there's a cup of ice. Oh! I got water on my corduroys.
Dude, mine are ripping. Don't worry about it. That's why I didn't wear them. Ignore my problem. I'm full right here.
My mom, like, goes out and buys me random shit, and she buys Air leather pants. She buys me...
That's the gayest thing you can do.
She buys me boys corduroy skinny jeans, and she gets him leather pants.
If you
Where the
dress
hell do
like
you buy
Jim
leather
Morrison,
pants at?
if you dress like Jim Morrison,
International
you can pull
Mall.
the leather pants off. But if you dress like just everyday, you look gay in leather pants. If you can dress like Jim Morrison, you can pull it off. But other than that, you really can't.
You still recording this? He's fucking better than you.
Better than you too.
I'm not the one talking shit about him.
You would. You are in your mind. This ain't what I'm like.
I gave that kid a high five.
Oh shit.
I did.
Steven's back on the Red Bull.
He's doing a trick.
He needs to get a little higher. Like that much.